This is the many, many faces of Edward Kavik. Yes, through the years, you see a sweet person, not so sweet to be honest, and now he does YouTube and a podcast called Get Off My Back. So I hope you enjoy this episode of Reading Between the Lies. Have a good time. Welcome back to Reading Between the Lines with your host, Edward Kavik. Back again on my way to work. Yep. I've been wondering, this whole vaccine thing and the COVID. They keep saying it's a pandemic of the unvaccinated. What I don't get is, if you're vaccinated, why are you worried about the unvaccinated? If you think about it, Like, for example, if you're bulletproof, are you going to worry about a guy with a gun? I wouldn't, but that's me. So, more or less stating, okay, you don't get as sick if you get the vaccine, so I'm not saying don't get it, okay, but why are you worried about the ones that aren't vaccinated? Really, because for one, the ones who aren't vaccinated, whose lives are they risking? Their own. Then you have the ones that have already had COVID, like myself, not once but twice. I'm pretty sure if I get COVID again, I'm not going to have to really worry either, because of my antibodies. I've already started a battle plan for that. Okay. It's almost as if I've been vaccinated. I'm not criticizing the vaccine too much, but you see, vaccines are meant to actually work. Like, you get the flu shot, most likely you're not going to get the flu. You get the vaccine for COVID, most likely there's a slight chance you're going to get the vaccine or the COVID, mind you, but not, suffer as badly, like hospitalization and all that other stuff. So, all in all, why bother? That's what I say. Me, I just personally don't like needles at all. I cringe if I have to give blood. Get blood work from the doctor's office or the hospital. Unless I'm in a lot of pain, like when I got my face smashed in with a wire. Yes, give me pain meds in a syringe. I don't care. I'm already in pain. The needle hole's not going to bother me one bit. Yes, I'm pretty much ranting. But you know how it goes. But you see, this whole thing with the COVID, what are they going to be talking about? Because I'm pretty sure this whole pandemic thing is like pretty much almost over. If you go with history and pandemics like the Black Plague, Spanish flu, lasted 2-3 years, and then it was all over. I'm pretty sure this is going to be the same. So the Democrats will still be pushing it, or the Democratic politicians, and keeping people, terrified. Just like, let's see, Bush Jr. with the whole terror alert. Whenever people start getting comfortable, well, we got to raise the terror alert. Keep people scared. So no, it's not just a Democrat thing, it's a Republican thing too. Usually done by a president who really has nothing good going for them. So, make a long story short, which I won't, but we need to get over all this pandemic thing, like Biden with his, it's a plague of the unvaccinated. Okay, how do you get rid of a virus? of the unvaccinated. Oh yeah, you get rid of the unvaccinated. Well, let me tell you, I'm vaccinated naturally. Okay? So you people just keep that in mind. And yes, I'm still trying to quit smoking, okay? I'm doing pretty good. Not great, but pretty good. And yes, I have been working out a bit. Yeah, I'm at work now. I'm trying to find a parking spot. Oh, I hate how these people freaking park like they've never parked in a parking lot before. Taking up 2-3 spaces. Should have them towed. They put lines in here to park between, and guess what? Nobody does it, pretty much. It's annoying. But all in all, I want you guys to have a good day. I'm at work, so I probably won't, but that's just me. So, all of you, have some fun. Stay safe. Keep your family safe. And just be nice to people, okay? It'll be a better world. All right? So this is Edward Kevik signing off. Until next time, adios, amigo.